Today we talk about how can you find games on your Plato app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all this so in here games. Then here can you choose on it, so can you play here this or choose want to this games here on your Plato app. So that's all you have to do to find it. You just click here on Juan for example, then you click here on Juan, then it's going to take you here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.